Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm very excited. I am showing my incoming Ghouls Just Wanna Have Fun Season 2 swap from Annie over at Annie's Paper Crafts. I'm very excited to show what I received. For the requirements, we had to send an envelope flip book with a minimum of 3 envelopes and at least 3 die cuts per envelope, 2 ticket embellishments, an ATC or MDC, a crafty container filled with bits and bobs, a Halloween sweet treat, a Halloween crafty goodie, and a handmade crafter's choice. Let's dig on in and see what Annie sent my way. Today is Halloween. Happy Halloween to those of you that celebrate. If you're out trick-or-treating or your kiddos are, I hope that they have a safe and fun experience. I'm very excited because this is my baby rescue Walter's first Halloween, and I will insert a picture of the shirt he's wearing today. He does have a little baby cow costume that I will put on him later on tonight because today is actually Halloween. And Winston, he will be wearing a referee costume. Let's dig in. So I did take everything out of the box. This is the fun tissue paper and shred that Annie had included. And I will definitely be saving this for next season. She did have some of her projects in this really cute boo bag. It's a very nice size and this is so adorable. Thank you so much, Annie. I love it. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm filming in my kitchen because my craft room is out of control as per usual. Let's see. This is the first thing. This is a foam tape dispenser. This is so cute. I've never had one of these before. And inside she included the foam tape roll. This is such a great idea. This will definitely be sitting on my work desk. Thank you so much for that. Here we have this super cute packaging. Look at how fun this little pumpkin and ghosty is. And inside, see if I can push this out. I don't want to ruin this. I'm pretty confident this is a pack of bubble gum. Thank you so much for that. It's so cute. Next, let's go into this really cute pocket. This is such a nice design. It has the detail on the side. We have the spooky with lots of fun details. So cute. Let's see what's inside. Look at that background paper. So cute. Love it. Here is her ATC card with these cute bats. So fun. Thank you for that. I keep all of my ATC cards in a baseball sleeve protector, and this will be going into there. Let's look at these bows outside of the cellophane. These are so cute. They have the really nice detailing, and it looks like these are the little bat ones. So cute. She has pom-poms and trim in the middle. I love using bows on almost all of my projects. Thank you so much for those. I love the paper as well. Let's take a look and see what's inside here. She included some cellophane bags, which is always wonderful to have. And it looks like she has sent me some of these mini bag toppers. Look at that ruffle. I do have that die. I think it's so hard to use though. And then we have this one with the bats and the trim. So cute. I will definitely be using these next year to put my swap items in. And this one, so cute. I love these tiny bag toppers. They're so fun. Thank you so much for these and including the bags to use them with. Here's little baby Walter. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Hi. Hey, what are you doing? You playing? There's his little trick-or-treat shirt. He's at my feet because I'm in my kitchen. Okay, let's take a look. This is her envelope flip book. Has this twine wrapped around it with this cute little charm. So cute. Here's the cover. I love this pumpkin paper. So cute. This is a little Memdex card. How fun. We have the owl. So cute. Let's dig inside, see what we have. In the first envelope, she shared these mini Mendex cards. These are so cute. These look like the top layers. They are super cute. I absolutely love that one. With the backgrounds, these are so fun to use. Thank you so much for these. I need to find this die. I really like these. And I don't have any mini ones. Thank you for sharing those. In this one, she shared some mini rosettes. These are super fun. I love the little ones. These are great to have them pre-made for you along with the centers. Thank you so much for those. These are super cute. And in the last pocket, she shared the bow with the witch's hat. And it looks like there's a smaller size along with this larger size. I don't have this die either. Thank you so much for those. Thank you so much, Annie, for this super cute envelope flip book. All of the die cuts inside are adorable. And I actually think all of the die cuts inside are what this top one is. We have the little Memdex card, the rosette, and the witch's hat with the bow die. So creative. Thank you so much for those. And let's take a look at this envelope box. These are amazing. I wonder if she used a die or handmade this. I'm thinking with the way that this has the detailing, this is a die, which is amazing. Her little rosette with this cute Halloween treat bag. So fun. Let's see what's inside. We have this adorable sequin mix. So many cute goodies inside. I love that it has some teal in there. And look at her fun bag topper. Love it. And it looks like these are her ticket dies. These are so cute. Look at these tiny rosettes. And again, we have the ruffle trim, which is so fun. We have the kitty cat. Adorable. Love these tickets. Thank you so much, Annie. And I almost forgot to show what was inside that envelope. She made me a beaded pen, which is going right into my beaded pen collection. Let's take a look at the charms on top. We have the purple pumpkin. We have the ghosty. And it looks like the black crow. So cute. I love it. It's definitely going to be going into my pen collection. Thank you so much for that. She sent me a mini embellishment box, and I could already tell it's filled with so many cute goodies inside. We have some rubber charms that say stay spooky. So cute. In here we have, actually I think I'm gonna just take these out and show them. All right, and let's take a quick look. I decided to empty the embellishment box so you could get a really good view. We have this really cool, it's like a cat owl charm. We have the big skull, some candy corns. We have some metal spooky goodness. We have the little ghosty, the haunted house, the little trick or treat. We have some beads, these really cute ghosties. We have some witches hats. I've never seen ones like this before. So cute. We have the really fun spooky roses along with some pumpkins, some little skull heads. These are more the witches hats. We have some crows and we have some bats. And that is my incoming swap from Annie over at Annie's Paper Crafts on Instagram. I will have her channel linked down below. Annie, thank you so much for this amazing Spooktacular Halloween swap. I am so glad that we were able to swap, and I hope you enjoyed my swap as much as I have enjoyed yours. Happy Halloween to everyone. I hope you all have a beautiful night. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a spooky day. Bye, guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting myself, Carrie, over at Double Click Connect, and Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic, while we host our second season of Ghouls Just Want to Have Fun Halloween Swap. We have really enjoyed hosting these swaps, and I loved watching all of the amazing crafty goodies that were swapped between swap partners. Coming soon, I will be hosting a die cut swap with myself and anyone that would be interested in swapping with me. Stay tuned for that, as well as my Christmas 2025 dewdrop release. I thank you guys so much for all of your support. Also, I would like to add, it seems like if I leave a comment on your video, the only way that you can view it is if you go to your video on the comments section, hit newest, and my comment should appear then. I have no idea why this is happening. I have reached out to support with no response. That is a way that you could see my comments, and I apologize for that. I have no idea why that happens. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.